I'll get it this time. I swear to you, babe. It's happening. It's going to happen. Hey, all. Welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to be mixing up an SLB original, the Mezcal Chipotle Margarita. It's something fantastic. Trust me when I tell you. Now, before we get into the actual ingredients and so forth of the cocktail, let me explain how we came up with the Chipotle part of the cocktail. What I have here in this little glass is agave syrup and chipotles in adobo sauce. Now, what I did is I took the can of chipotles in adobo sauce you can get at any local grocery store. I put it in my blender and I put a little bit of water to it because it's a little bit thick. So I put a little water to make the consistency nice and smooth, and I blended it up, and I put 2 ounces of agave syrup to 1 tablespoon of chipotles in adobo sauce. Now this particular glass actually has 4 ounces of agave syrup and 2 tablespoons of chipotles in adobo sauce. Just make sure you mix up your chipotles first. Put a little water in with it. Just get it nice and smooth so that it mixes nicely in your syrup. So that's how we're getting to the chipotle part of the cocktail. So let's get started. Let's mix it up so we can taste it and we can get into the tasting notes. I'm going to start with 1/2 ounce of my original Chipotle agave syrup. I'm going to pour in 1 ounce, 1 full ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Half ounce Cointreau, or your preferred Triple Sec would be fine as well. Just a 1/2 ounce. And then I'm going to use 2 full ounces of Mezcal. Now, Mezcal is a tequila product. Basically, it's a smoky tequila is basically what it is, a Mezcal, smoky tequila. So you get the smokiness. I hate to compare it to a Scotch per se because there's a lot of different tasting notes there, but it has a bit of the smokiness as a Scotch would. So we're going to put 2 ounces of the Mezcal. And that's all the ingredients. We'll get some ice. We'll give it a good shake. All right. Nice and cold. The tin is frosty. You'll have to give me a second because, of course, I forgot my strainers. We are definitely going to have to double strain because we're going to have a bit of the jalapeno seeds and so forth that's in our syrup. So you want to double strain into a cocktail coupe. That's it there. Now, I had a 1/2 lime wheel here prepared for a garnish, but to be quite truthful with you, I really don't like it. What I would have loved to have had is a dehydrated lime wheel. If you can come up with that, it would look fantastic in this particular cocktail. Now I'm going to lay this 1/2 lime wedge, 1/2 lime wheel right in the cocktail, but a dehydrated lime wheel would really fit the bill for this particular cocktail. I just don't have one. Maybe we'll get that another time. So let's give this cocktail a taste and see what we came up with. That is really, really good. It's very different. You're going to get a lot of the chipotle notes. You get a little bite on the back end from the spiciness of the chipotle. You have the smokiness coming from the mezcal. Of course, the agave with the tequila product. It's just a fantastic margarita variation, an SLB original. Thank you so much for watching today. We really appreciate it. Take a moment, if you would please, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. That would be extremely helpful. Once you've done that, hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss a single episode of the show. You can also find us on Facebook. That's at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar, or you can hit us up on Instagram, SLB Drinks. Whatever you do, we always ask you to please drink responsibly. See ya.